Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Roth IRA contribution on Vanguard, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing a Roth IRA contribution on Vanguard, visit the Vanguard website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the My Accounts section. Select My Profile from the drop-down menu. Look for the option labeled Contributions. Choose the Roth IRA from your list of accounts. Click on the Contribute button. In the contribution window, enter the amount you wish to contribute. Select the funding source for your contribution. Choose whether you want to make a one-time contribution or set up a recurring contribution. If setting up a recurring contribution, specify the frequency and duration. Review your contribution details for accuracy. Click on the Continue button to proceed. You may be prompted to review your funding source details. Confirm the source and ensure you have sufficient funds for the transaction. After confirmation, accept Vanguard's terms and conditions. Proceed by clicking the Submit button. A confirmation message will appear once your contribution is authorized. Keep a record of your contribution confirmation for your personal files. If you have any questions, utilize Vanguard's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.